All right, let's round this up. Let's talk about our ForgeBox module of the week. We have the ColdBox Metadata Exporter. This is by our very own Gavin Pickin, and it's a module that every time you load your application for the first time or reinit, it is going to export the metadata about your mappings to JSON files for VS Code and other external tools. So I have it up here on my screen. I'll switch there for the people watching. And you can see it's just a JSON file that has the path or the mapping name, and then the path to the file, the name, and the type. And this is so VS Code will allow you to do things like click through these mappings, and it will open that file for you. So now if you're using router at ColdBox uh, in your code, you can click through that and it will know to open up config.router. And that will update every time again you reinit your application. So I do believe that they need to do an update to the VS Code plugin for ColdBox before this all works together. But this is the first piece of it, the ColdBox Metadata Exporter.
Nice. Now, is this something that you should keep in your Git ignore, or something you'd want to track in the?
It is put inside your .vs Code folder, and so that is usually get ignored for most of us. So
got it.
Yep.
No, that makes sense. That Gavin. It's always fun.
Yep.
He's always he gets super inspired and excited, and that's interesting what he comes up with, or it's cool what he comes up with.
That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.